Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start 11th Max. I think every student, I welcome you for your 11th standard. Today we are going to see a well-known topic, set, relation and function. We are going to see. Already we know this topic in 10th standard itself. 10th standard, the same topic only is there. Okay, so in your 11th standard, most of the students are from Urdu medium and Tamil medium and are from English medium. I think for English medium there is no problem. Only for Urdu medium and Tamil medium they need to understand the concept. Since Max itself it's a difficult subject, you people are finding. In spite of that one, you have to learn through English. It's going to be very complicated. So please try to focus and learn from the beginning itself. நான் என்ன சொல்ல வரேன்னா, தமிழ் மீடியமும் உருது மீடியம் பசங்க வந்து மேக்ஸ் சப்ஜெக்ட்னாலே கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம்தான். இப்போ 11th நீங்கள் மேக்ஸ் வந்து இங்கிலீஷ் மீடியமில் படிக்கணும். அதுதான் மிகப்பெரிய கஷ்டமாக நீங்கள் ஃபீல் பண்ணுவீங்க. அதனால ஸ்டார்டிங்லேருந்தே கொஞ்சம் ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணிங்கன்னா ஈஸியாக உங்களுக்கு பாஸ் ஆகலாம். கொஞ்சம் ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் இங்கிலீஷில் நடத்துனதால கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும். இருந்தாலும் நீங்கள் அது புரியல அப்படின்னு ஒரே வார்த்தையில் முடிச்சிடாதீங்க. புரிகிறதுக்கு முயற்சி எடுங்க, அப்போ தான் புரியும். டவுட்ஸ் வந்து நிறைய கேளுங்க. மறுபடியும் கேட்டு நீங்கள் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணும்போது தான் உங்களுக்கு அந்த டவுட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வரவே வராது. ஸோ 11th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஐ வெல்கம் யூ ஆல். ஸோ ஞாபகமாக சொல்கிற டாபிக் வந்து நல்லா பார்த்துட்டு லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இன்ஷால்லா உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். சரி, டுடே we are going to see set, relation and function. Sets means what? As you know that set is a definition of set is what we know. Set is a collection of well-defined object. Collection of well-defined objects. Okay, define objects. What does that mean? Object well-defined. Why they have used the word well-defined? For example, I will give the 10th standard itself. I want to go take a few minutes and then I will come back to this one. We'll solve few problems. Okay, well-defined object means if you say some sentence, it clearly understandable. Such collection is nothing but sets. For example, days in a weeks. Days in a weeks means what are the days we are having in a week? 7 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Likewise, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. This collectively, if you write in a form of set, means usually capital letter will denote for set and then a bracket should be there and inside element should be there. On saying days in a week, you clearly understand from Monday to Sunday is there, means that is nothing but what we can say it's a set. Okay, but if I say what is tomorrow, what day tomorrow means, if I ask today Friday, tomorrow is a Saturday. The same question if I ask on Sunday, the answer will be Monday. So if goes on, answer is changing. There is no fixed such things you called as what? It's not a set at all. Okay, that this you have learned in your 10th standard itself. Okay, now relation and function, how to find these other things is not there, but one exercise is that entirely based on this one that we need to see. A union B. Union means what you know. Okay, for example, if I'm taking A as a 1 2 and then B I'm taking as 2 3, then what's a union? You know that 1, 2, 3. This is the thing, right? A and B means 1, 2, 3. But in 11th standard, how you are going to explain this one means A we'll write in set builder form x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to b we'll write. Like this notation we'll write. We won't write in this roasted form. As said, we can represent in how many ways? 3 ways are there. One is roaster form. Second, set builder form. Next we have description form. These are the three things we have: roaster form, set builder form, description form. In this 3 form we can write it here. Here it is A and B. In 11th standard higher education we are going to follow only like set builder form only. So I am writing A and B. Union means joining, and we have to write it here. The same way here we need to write it. Same thing for the A intersection B means what we need to write. We need to write the common thing. 1 is here, but here it is not there. But 2 is here, here 2 is there. Commonly what will come? 2 alone will come. But how we will define means I have to write like this. A union B means. Here A intersection B means how I am going to write X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. I have to write this one. When it's coming union, it's R. When it's coming intersection, it's AND. That 2 things we need to write it here. Okay, one more thing we have taken difference. A minus B. A minus B means A is what? 1, 2 is there. Minus B is what here? 2, 3 is there. So this B element should not be there in. So 2 is here is that I should not take. So 3, leave it off. So answer is A minus B is what it's coming? 1 alone way it's coming. This is the thing we have. How we will define here A minus B means such that X belongs to A but X should not belongs to B. I have to write X should be in A but X should not be in B. Same thing only no. X value is in A but X value should not be in B. That value is there here. I have cancel here. So same thing arguing here we need to do it here. Okay. Next one what we have symmetrical difference, that is A minus B and union B minus A. This is the things we have taken. So that's the thing. And we have talking about disjoint set. Disjoint set means what? Or if you take A intersection B value, it should be 5. For example, A I am giving as 1, 2 and B I am giving as AB. What's the common thing is there between this one A intersection B? There is no common at all. That's why null set. Null is nothing but empty. These things will come. Okay. So these are the things we have to we have learned in your lower classes. And we have power set, P of A. Power set. P of A, have you have power set means power set. For example, A, if I am having 1, 2 elements is that. What's the P of A now? First empty set we can write, and the next one element you take, and the next single element you take, and then form everything. What's everything? 1, 2 is that. This collection of all subsets of A. Collection of all, power set is nothing but collection of all subsets of A. All subsets of A. A is nothing but what? Power set. What's the formula is there now? 2 power number of element. How many is there? That is for how many n of P of A. That is how many elements will be there in the subset means that is 2 power n of P of A. N of A. 2 power n of A. This is the formula we have to follow. How many elements are there? 1, 2. So 2 power 2. So that is 2 into 2. 2 to the how much will come? 4. So that 4 only is here having. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So that is it. Another thing, cardinal number. Cardinal number. Cardinal number means it's nothing but in set how many elements are there. For example, we can see this is a set. What is the cardinal number for this set n of A? It's 7, because how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 elements. So n of A is 7. Here how many elements is there? N of A is 2, because how many elements? 1 and 2 element one is there. Here how many elements are there? N of B only 2, 3 is there. These are the things we are having. Same way n okay, for example A equals to, I am taking null set, fine, nothing. How many elements are there? N of A means it's 0. It is nothing but 0 is that. In this way we need to solve this one. Okay, next one, In this way we have to solve, and then we know the formula. N of A union B equals to, what's the formula? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. These are the formulas we know. Okay, this is, we can say it's a formula. Okay, now one more thing. Finite types of set is there. We have universal set, null set, or empty set, and then we have finite, and then we have infinite. These are the things we have. Universal set means it's everything will come. Okay, it's we usually write as a rectangular. Empty means nothing will be there. Finite means what we can say 1, 2, 3. Counting will be same. Okay, for example, A, this is it now. N of A, you can easily get it. How many 3 elements are there? So we can write it as it. N of A is a 3. But infinite set, for example, if you are taking means natural number 1, 2, 3, dot I am writing. That is N. So how many members are there in N? We don't know. That is, we call it as infinite. We can't count the member. Okay. For example, in your school, in your class, how many students are there? Now we can count it here. 50 students, 60 students, we can count it. In worldwide, if you want to ask that how many students are there, we can't calculate it. Or in sky, how many stars are there, we can't say that one, how many stars are there in the sky. In this way, we can say that set we will come to as a infinite set. These are the things we need to little bit have a look. Okay, most of the people, those who are paid, and then you have got your textbook, you go through it. We will see today some few things, exercise I'm going to see, because example is okay, somewhat they have solved, but in spite of that one, I want to do this. 1 or 2 examples are there, very a little bit you need to think about it, that we'll discuss. You can see the first question. I have exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1 we will see. What's the first question now? Write the following, I will send this one also, follow this. Write the following in rostered form. What they're saying in roster form, they're saying. Roster form they are asking. The first thing is what they have written now. They have given x belongs to n such that x square value is less than 121 and x is a prime. X is a prime. This is the first question they have written. What they are asking means we need to write for example, I am giving a name as A set. I need to write its member element. I need to write here x square value is less than, they are saying 121. 121 means we are under x square, that is 11 square is what the value 121. 11 11s are 121. X they are saying prime, so definitely it will be a prime. For example, if I am taking 1 is not a prime, 1 is not a composite. So 2 is a prime, that value we can write, because here they are saying x only, not x square. That's why x, that 2 2s are 4 is a prime, 3 3s are 9, it's a prime, 4 4 is an even number, 5 5, 25 is 5, sorry I have write 2 3 5. Okay, I am writing here, I will write one more time, no problem. A, that is, see here 2 I can write, square na 4, this I should not write, I am writing 3 9, 5 is a prime, 5 5 is a 25, 7 7s are 49, 8 we can't come, 9 won't come, 10 won't come, 11 will come is a prime, but it should be 121, but they are saying it should be less than should be, so therefore the answer is 2 3 5 and 7. This only the word, the answer for the first question. No need to write this one. Here the set A, this is written in what form? Set builder form. I have written in rostered form. I have done. Okay, next question, second question, what they are saying. See here, the set of, they are saying set of all positive root of the equation. They are written of the equation, positive equation of the, they are saying x minus 1, x plus 1, and they are saying x square minus 1 equal to 0, they are saying. So we need to get the root for this one. Root not simple, either x minus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0 or x square minus 1 equal to 0. Individually make it as 0. Then x value is what will come here, 1. This one value Here x value is what will come? Minus 1. Plus 1 goes that side, now minus 1. Here x value equal to minus 1 goes now plus 1. Then x equal to square root of 1. Then x value will come as plus or minus 1. This is the 2 value. But they are saying what? A set of all positive root. Positive root now 1 only will come, negative won't come. Therefore, if I am taking this as a set B means the thing 1 only will come, not negative. Don't ask me here 1 is plus 1 is there, here 1 plus 1 is there. So 2 1 will come. In set notation, repetition of element is not allowed. So we no need to write the repeating the same number. So the answer is 1 only. Next question. In this first, it's a third is there. What's the third means? They're saying x belongs to n, and they're saying as x belongs to n, and they're saying as 4x plus 9 value is less than 52. They're saying 4x plus 9 value is less than 52. They're saying. So I'm taking this as a C. I need to little bit solve. Let x belongs to n such that plus 9 goes that side. Now what will come? Minus. So 52 minus 9 will come. Same thing C, I'm writing x belongs to n. So what I can write here? X I am taking 52 minus 9 means what will come? 43. Right? 43. And here 4 is the 4 into x divided by 4. Now what will come? I need to divide this one. So 43 divided by 4 you do now. 1 time 4 balance 3. So 4 tens of 40 will come 0. It's not going point and make it 0 now. 4 8s are. So 10.8 is there. So approximately C value is what? X belongs to n, natural number, such that x value is less than 10.8. Not 8, 7 will come. 10.7. 4 7s are 28. So balance 2. So 7 will come. 10.7. 10.7 means then C value will be what? X belongs to natural number. Natural number start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6 and then 7, 8, 9 will come, and then less than is that, that's why it's a 10. 10 will come. This is the way we need to write it here. Okay, this is the question. Then similar way the fourth is there. Do it as a fourth as a homework. Okay, I am not doing it, just solve it. It's easy only. Okay, the next question. Second question, what they're saying, write the set in set, what's that one? Minus 1 comma 1 in set builder form. In set builder form. Our wish we can write in any way. Set builder form means we can write as a set A. Okay, just now we have calculated, right? So you can see here, I'm bringing this one, you can see. Just now we solve what? Square root of what? X square is what it's coming? Plus 1 minus 1. I can use this itself. Not issue. So I can write it as x belongs to what I can write? Integer z. Z integer I can write. Such that x square minus 1 equal to 0. I can write. So if you find this value x square minus 1 equal to 0. Then x square equals to 1. Then x equals to square root of 1. X root now plus minus 1 will come. So both the things is that easily we can write the answer for this one. This is in what form? Set builder form we can write. Similarly, third question is that here 3 question. What they are saying now? State whether the following set are finite or infinite. They are saying finite or infinite. They are saying we need to check whether the sets are finite or infinite. The first question is what they are saying. X belongs to n. X is an even prime. X is an even prime. They are saying prime number. Even prime number means what's the even prime number? Baguen solrangla bagayan adudha. So x is a prime number means what? 2, 1, 2, 3, 5 only e prime number, but even means 2 only. So the number 2 only is what? Even. So it's a what? Only one member is there. So it's a finite set. It is a finite set, we can write it. So Urdu medium, Tamil medium, தயவு செஞ்சு கொஞ்சம் அந்த டிக்ஷனரி நீங்க வந்து பாருங்க, அப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு புரியும். Okay. Second one, what they are saying here, x belongs to n such that x is an odd prime number. Odd prime number, they are saying as an odd prime number. Odd prime number means what will come? So 3 will come, 5 will come, 7 will come, 11 will come, it will goes on. We don't know how much is there. So it will goes on. That's why we'll say it's a infinite set. It is what we can say infinite set. If you only it is given in set builder form, if you convert into a roasted form, if you know its member, then only you can came to conclusion whether it's a finite set or infinite set. We can say it off. Okay. So similar way we have to solve some 3 more questions are there. Please try to do by your own. I am not going to do here. And then 4th question, they have come expression. See, 4th question I will do one problem. It's very easy. You have to check it by your own number. 4th one, what they are saying, by taking suitable set A, B, C, verify the following result they are saying. So here also some 5 is there. Verify following results they are saying. We need to find. What is the first question? A cross B intersection C equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. I hope today we will finish with this one. A few more, 4 or 5 problem is that you do by your own. See, we need to take our own set. We can take our own. For example, A I am taking as our wish 1, 2 I am taking. B I am taking as 1 alone. C I am taking as 2, 3. Our wish we can take anything. Okay. I am taking LHS separately. What the LHS here? A cross B intersection C. This we need to check. A cross B intersection C. So first I will do B intersection C. What is the B intersection? B is 1 here. Intersection C is 2, 3 here. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. So we can see here. What's the common thing? 1 and 2. Nothing is there. Nothing, na? What will come? 5. There is no common between 1 and 2. That is B and C. There is no common thing. So let it be. It's nothing. So again, LHS I want to do now. A cross B intersection C we need to try. Okay. So A value is what it's coming. 1, 2. You are cross with nothing. So answer will come what? Nothing only will come. So we can, because nothing element is there to make a cross. So that's why answer is coming nothing here. This is LHS. Now RHS what you need to check means A cross B intersection A cross C. This we need to check. Okay. So this I need to check. If I want to check now, first A cross B we will do. What's A cross B? A is 1, 2 and B is here cross 1. If you take a cross means what you need to do? Cartesian product 1, 1, 1, 1, then 2, 1. So this is the thing we have to do. This is we take as 1. Okay, then next we have what? A cross C. A cross C is what? A is what here? 1, 2 and cross C is what we are having? 2, 3. So take a cross here. So 1, 2. Next one 1, 3. The next one 2, 2. Next one 2, 3. This already you know just now in 10th standard you have shown. Now RHS, that is A cross B intersection A cross C. This is the thing. So A cross B, this value. What is it? A cross B 1, 1, 2, 1 will come. Intersection A cross C this 2. 1, 2, then 1, 3, then 2, 2, then 2, 3 is that. This is the things we need to check. Now can you tell me any common? Here 1, 1 is there, but here 1, 2, there is no 1, 2, 1 is here, 2, therefore there is no common. So here also it's coming empty star. Here also I am making as a hash. So star and hash both are same. Nothing is there. equal to nothing. So which means A cross B intersection C will equals to A cross B intersection A cross C will be the same. So hence verify. Likewise we need to do 5 problem is that. But keep it in mind, this assumption A values you can take by your own. Any number you can take it, but don't take much larger number, because for calculation will become complicated. So that's the reason we need to do. Inshallah, we'll see in the next class. I will send homework as well as formula. So prepare, and I will meet in the next class.